In this video, I will show you how to connect HEADSPACE to Google Fit. First, open the HEADSPACE app on your phone. Then go back to your home screen and open Google Fit. Once you're in Google Fit, go to your profile, then tap Settings. Under Activity Tracking, tap Track Activities with Health and make sure you're connected to Apple Health. Next, go back to your home screen and open Apple Health. Tap your profile, scroll down to Apps, and here you will see that HEADSPACE is already connected. Now your HEADSPACE sessions can sync with Google Fit through Apple Health, making it easy to keep track of your mindful minutes and overall activity. And that's how to connect HEADSPACE to Google Fit.